Today we're looking at a managed payments change eBay just announced today. Hey, it's Don. Today we're going to go look at an email that just came in talking about a major change, at least for us and many other sellers, on managed payments. Let's hop over right now and dig right into this. So here we are in an email. This one just came in. I'm in eBay. You should see one of these coming shortly, especially if you had listings that were removed or told you couldn't list anything in the coins and paper money section related to that. Bullion is included in this as well. First part of this talks about some of the item specifics and things like that that you need to add into your listings. Now, these weren't required prior, but they are now. But the biggest part here that's really a good plus for everybody, starting January 13th, 2021, sellers in the coins and paper money categories, including bullion, will be notified to register or will be activated for managed payments if you've already pre-registered. So if you've already pre-registered, it's just going to pop you right into there. Sellers that are already activated on managed payments may create listings in this categories beginning January 25th. So as of January 25th, coins, bullion, paper money is back on my game. So any of you who had those listings pulled, we had around 450 listings pulled when we entered into managed payments. For the entire year and a half, almost 2 years, they've been running managed payments. These items have not been available. There still are banned items such as adult books and things like that also. So be careful what you sell, but this is major update here. This means I can sell hundreds of more items on eBay without any issue going through managed payments. Great. I mean, I was just talking about how they didn't give us any updates, no promises, nothing on this, and boom, here it is the very next day. I have the information that I really have been waiting for. So if they can just work on the adult magazines and some of the other items, they will be back up in game how we were prior to managed payments, and we're moving forward either way. So again, you can sell coins again starting January 25th. So bullion sellers, coin sellers, paper money sellers, we are back in the game on eBay. Well, there you have it. Hopefully that gave you some ideas, some thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell all your friends. It's a blast from the past.
adventure. Your mission, find the master spy. Your weapon, Secret Sam. Through Secret Sam's periscope, you see him, but he can't see you. You locate the master spy, you talk to him, and Secret Sam's hidden camera is taking his picture right now. Suddenly you're discovered. Secret Sam fires bullets from inside the case. Secret Sam has barrel extension. Special missile sends message to your partner. Mission accomplished. You hand over real photograph. Secret Sam with periscope, message missile, rifle stock, barrel extension, even shoots through this carrying case. And this real camera that works in secretly or out. Takes real photos. Secret